Show you the different conditions of a parabola. Condition: upward parabola. When c is greater than 0 and c is the distance of the focus from the vertex, set the equation. If hk at 0, 0, the formula is x squared is equal to 4cy. 4c is the distance of the vertex from the focus, or focus to the vertex. See? Then the lattice rectum is equals to 2 points from the two sides, and the distance of it is 2 points, or the distance of the lattice rectum from each other is 2. Okay, for the next, now for the standard equation of hk at xy, where xy is any point at the graph, x minus h squared is equal to 4cy minus k. If vertex at 4, 0, and if c is 8c, then you just substitute the given vertex in the equation. But if 0 is present, you'll just negate it and make it letter y, or I mean, you just make it y, or x minus 4 squared is equals to 8cy. Then the graph will show you that is true. See, from vertex to the focus, it takes 8 points. To find the lattice rectum easily, you just count the points from between it, or you can divide it by 2, I guess. That's just easy how to do. Next, downward parabola. When c is less than 0, standard equation, you just add negative to the 4c, or the formula is x squared is equal to negative 4cy. The only difference is that the 4c is negative, making it a downward open parabola. And show you that 4c is the focus. And count the points to find the lattice rectum. Okay. Next is at xy. If hk is at xy, then the formula is x minus 4 raised to 2, or x minus 4 squared is equals to 8cy. If vertex at, I mean, x minus h squared is equals to negative 4cy. Then just substitute the given focus, or c, to make the equation correct. K is equal to 0, so we don't need to equate it or write it. Then showing the graph. Okay. 8 points from vertex to focus. Just there's 4 points between the latus rectum. And this is 4 points from one side of the latus rectum to the other. Wait. Tapos man. Next is standard equation of the rightward parabola. The only difference is that y is now in the left side, making it the squared equation. Okay, the formula is y squared is equals to 4cx if hk at 0, 0. 4c again it's on the graph. 4c is the distance of the focus from the vertex. Then the points between the latus rectum is 2 points. Next is if hk at x and y or xy, if hk at example is if hk at -1, 2 and c is 4c, then you'll just substitute the given to the equation and graph it to make it or to prove it that it's correct. I mean, just to prove it right, you can graph it. Okay, next is leftward parabola. The only difference between rightward and leftward is that c is less than 0 and making it that the c is negative, or I mean the equation means y squared is equals to -4cx, and same as always that to prove it just graph it. I mean -4c is from the vertex to the focus, and the 2 points being dropped is the latus rectum. Okay, next is if hk at x and y, it will just add the k and h for the equation. And example, if vertex at 2 and -1, and if c is -1c, then just substitute the given to the equation. Substitute the given to the equation. You can write -1c or just -c because there is a hidden 1 for every c or variable. Then to prove it's right, just graph it. Let's see the graph. C is the distance from the vertex to the focus.